All right, for the Cytation3, the first thing is you turn it on using that switch. It takes a little bit, and you want to wait until the little circle there is also green. So that's when you know it's ready. So once the instrument is ready, the tray will pop out for your plate and the light will turn green. So then you want to go to the computer and, Nat's putting on the plate. So well A1 goes right there in that corner. And then you want to go to the computer and open the Gen 5 software and input the password, which is ADDRC. So then this screen pops up, and what you want to do is create an experiment using an existing protocol. If you need help creating a protocol, I am happy to help you. So you go to the appropriate protocol, and this one that Nat is using right now is bright field with a Z-stack and a colony count. So what he's going to do is adjust the height of the focus. So he's going to go to procedure and bright field, and he's going to double click on that, and then he's going to go to that microscope right there, and that will allow you to change or at least to see the height that you need to start taking your pictures for this particular protocol and for these particular plates. And so the instrument brought in the plate, and so Nat will navigate to the well that he wants to start the focus on. And so for this particular protocol, it's going to take pictures across the whole well, stitch them, as well as take Z-stack images. So he first goes to autofocus and auto expose. And then you can scroll up and down to change the focus plane. And so right there you can see the colonies are becoming quite out of focus. And here they're coming slowly into focus.
I take note of the heights too.
So yeah, he takes note of the height because he's going to input that into his protocol, because you have to tell the instrument where to start focusing. And you can also change how thick the slices are, how many slices you take. I think you guys usually take 10 slices of 100 microns each, or 900 9 slices of 100 microns each. So once you're happy, you can hit Save Settings, and then you go to Options, and you can see for this particular plate, the fixed focal height, or the bottom of the plate, is 3,500 microns. So what you need to do is put in an offset of where the fixed height at the top of your focus plane is for this particular protocol. Because you can see here that that's where your focus is, number 10, the top number 10, 0 microns. All right, and then he hits OK, OK, and he doesn't want to keep track of his comments, which is fine. And then you want to go to Read Now and select the wells that you want the instrument to take pictures of. And then a dialog box will pop up where it wants you to save the experiment. So remember, you're creating an experiment using a protocol that already exists. And so for a 24 well plate, using the stitched images in the Z-stack, it takes 2 to 3 hours for the entire protocol to go. And so Nat likes to wait to make sure that some pictures show up, and then it starts the entire process. And there we go. All right, when your protocol is done with the Cytation3, depending on your protocol, the light will turn green, your plate will pop out, and on the software there'll be a green check mark by the plate that you just read. If you have any analysis set up after the picture is taken, you can click on this drop-down menu to get the various attributes that you programmed in your protocol for it to measure. Most people, at the end of the day, really just want numbers for their experiment. And so in this case, it's determining how many colonies are counted. And to get this data into a usable format, what you do is you press this Excel button, and the data should pop right into an Excel file. You can also look and see what colonies are actually counted and the pictures of them. So you can see it's taken the picture, it's stitched the bright field picture, and it's also done a Z-stack projection, putting all of those pictures together. You can see all of the pictures merged in this beautiful format. And so this program is set up to count all of these colonies.